fix it cause I know how deep it's broke. Oh, I don't wanna fix it cause I know how deep it's broke. I don't wanna fix it, I don't have the sticks and oak. I wanna 86 it, wanna mix with other folk. And I don't wanna fix it cause I know how deep it's broke. Words under pressure, they come out all wrong, but I've gotta stop you before you move on. This might not sound pretty, it's not full of grace, but there's one simple fact I don't think I can face. And he might be calmer, he might argue less, might not have baggage, might not make me guess. He might hold my hand like we're stuck up with glue, but the next one, he won't be you. I've got your attention, you're turning around, but don't speak just yet, please. I can't bear the sound of you feeding me reasons for why you can't stay, when I know that you feel the same way. And she might think clearly, she might like to choose, she might be better at holding her booze, might be the prettiest thing you ever did see, but the next one, she won't be me. I know quitting now, it seems easier, but you won't be him, and I won't be her. No, the next one won't ever live up, because we'll still hold the memory of what never was. And he might be calmer, he might argue less, might not have baggage, might not make me guess. And she might think clearly, she might like to choose, she might be better at holding her booze, and he might pretend that he's fine with the lies, the silence at night, and the tears in my eyes. And she'll probably smile till it hurts every day, to prove that she's fine with the things you won't say. And it might be safer, might not leave us scars, might have some moonlight, a couple of stars. It might last forever, which it probably should, but the next one won't be as good. Ooh.